Well, folks, this is Gerald. I'm here with my newest addition to the Sanford family, I guess. Anyway, it's a 1998 Chevrolet Venture Minivan. It actually looks pretty good. I'll just kind of give you a little bit of walk around here. This right side mirror is broken. I'll be replacing that. I'll be making a video on that one. It's held up by string right now. I just barely bought this van. There's my tools down there. I just got finished replacing this battery. 875 cold cranking amp. Brand new battery. Now put that strap across the top to hold that battery down so it doesn't go anywhere. There was no attaching items to this at all. I kind of had to make my own, and it took some time. Anyway, it has a 3400 SFI. I had to make a special bracket down there where that bolt is for that battery to make an attaching bracket. Took a piece of all thread. I don't know if you can see the all thread or not down there. Maybe you can. Yeah, you can see the top of it. That's the all thread. And then I double nutted it and brought that piece of strap across and tied it in to right here. Sort of an ingenious idea, I thought. Just kind of a DIY type outfit. Tires look good. I had it started and running, drove it around the block. I already gave him the money for it. Everything works. The only thing that was wrong with it was that battery, that mirror, and the right front turn signal assembly, which I've already replaced. Bought this brand new. Now all I got to do is just finish putting it back together. Anyway, that's the beginning of my 1996 Chevrolet, or 1998, I'm sorry, Chevrolet Venture. Y'all have a good day. God bless and take care. I'm out of here. Bye for now.